So I must be freaking out some of these natives here. What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Pause. It's a beautiful winter's day. It's not an oxymoron. It's winter, but it's beautiful here in southern Japan. The sun's shining. The mountains are looking pristine. The rivers are running, all that good stuff. I kind of look like a crazy person here. I'm pretty tall in Japan. I'm 6 feet, maybe 1 inch on a good day. And I'm walking around with a baby stroller here. I'm about to pick up my daughter. So I must be freaking out some of these natives here. Looking at this weird foreigner, or what they call a gaijin, outsider, walking around with an empty stroller. So why am I shooting this video? Well, a couple things. I just realized, it's Monday and a lot of people are at work today. I got nothing to do, so I'm gonna hang out with my daughter. But I'm not doing anything special. I'm not a special person. I don't know any special skills. I'm about to cross the street here. I don't have anything unique about me, and I can make a comfortable living online. Now, I'm not rich by any means, but I make more than a lot of my friends here in Japan. A lot of the expats that live here in Japan, and I don't work half as hard as they do. Like, again, just like you have a vending machine on a street corner, I got a funnel in 4 different niches, I've got 4 different funnels in 4 different niches, collecting leads, turning those leads into turning those leads into customers, and all the while helping those people out accomplish something. Be it put on a baby shower, learn how to increase their testosterone, learn how to make money online, get free Sudoku games, all kinds of things. So the point of the matter of this video is anybody, including you, can start an online business. An online business with little funnels in different niches, collecting leads and helping you make sales and helping people out along the way. All you need is 3 things: traffic, you need a lead capture method, and you need an offer that helps your audience. Okay, now there's a variety of traffic methods out there. There's a variety of ways to capture leads, and there's a tons of offers out there. All you got to do is match them up together, those 3 elements, and you can do the same thing. When you build one, you build the other. Or you can invest your time in improving on the niche sites you have right now. That's what I'm doing. Okay, and that's about it. I think I might start an actual blog about Japan and a YouTube channel about Japan, maybe a podcast. Since I live here, I have all these interesting insights about this culture. Now, of course, I'm only focusing this information on people who are interested in Japan. So if you're interested in making money online, if you're watching this right now, if you want to learn about how to create a niche profit site, then that might not be for you, and that's fine. That's the thing. There's an audience out there for all these different niches. You just gotta find them, using SEO, you can use free traffic, get people to your site, get people to your videos, and then people into your blog, ultimately into your lead capture, where you help them out. So let's say, for instance, I were to create a niche site about Japan. It'd be very particular, maybe about Japanese food, for example. What I would do is I would sell recipes, cookbooks, and possibly once in a while I'd test to see if a language program for Japanese would convert it all with the leads I'd have. That's what I'd do. Okay, and of course I'd go after all the easy keywords, maybe locations, different resorts in Japan, stuff like that, so I can get that free traffic coming. I'd also have my pixel on my website collecting that traffic, and then I can retarget them later on if they left my website without buying anything or without jumping into my funnel. So that's what I would do. I'm just shooting the shit here. This is also good for me. And not only is it helping you to let you know what a full-time marketer would do. There's a dog there. Anyways, it also helps me kind of consolidate my ideas about things. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Off the cuff, Sorry if I'm not giving you my full attention, but I'm walking around with a stroller. Gotta be careful with cars and all that good stuff. Okay, take care. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Ike Paws saying, talk to you later. Bye-bye.